Got it here, miniature EDC toothpicks, reusable. So, a little keychain, it says titanium, that's cool. Push it, go to the side, you have a really nice toothpick to take the splinter out. Then, if you would like to, you can go a bit further and make it really tall. But I think the most usable is like halfway right here, halfway point. That's cool. Also you can take it apart, put a new one in, whatever. Pretty unique. Then we have a tiny little tweezers. I think they're also titanium. Look how cool that is. I just had to take out splinter and I had to pull them out and use them. This is quite nice. I kind of like this one for everyday carry. Look how good that is. And I like it that they don't lose its like stretchiness. It's pretty good. Good looking stuff. This side here, EDC pen. Look how small that is. Boom. And you have actual pen right here. That's so cool. And as you can see, there's a keychain hole. Perfect. And then boom, bolt action. Quite unique. Comes with the refillers and a necklace over here. Good idea, Prometheus lights. This one is a little bit quick detach gadget with their logo, and all you have to do is pull on it. Pull it really firmly. It's not magnetic, as you can see. It's super tiny and stylish. So if you need to quick release a tool, multi-tool or whatever, a key on your keychain, there is an option. If you detach something quite often, boom, you can do it. Maybe you can put it onto like a belt loop and you can quick release your keys or tool. It looks like a little spring on the inside, and that's what it's holding. Boom. I got it here, OTF box cutter. I'm surprised the Microtech have not done one of these. They've done a lot of unique ones. This one is a little bit lower quality because this looks like a carbon fiber, but all it is a sticker. It's not carbon fiber at all. You see, whenever you have a fake sticker of a carbon fiber, I'd rather take it off. That looks like just a tape. It actually looks better without that fake sticker. But yeah, I hope one of these days Microtech or one of those very reputable companies do OTF box cutter opener. Super unique. And to remove it, you just push it to the side and take it out. Flip it around or put new blade, put it to the side, put it back in and lock it in. I bet if it was Microtech, these things would have been sold out. Most people only like high quality knife, not the cheap stuff like this. I mean, it's kind of cool. I like it. I will actually use it and beat it up because it doesn't cost much at all. And it's not the best materials, really cheap materials, so it probably won't last. But it comes with this right here set of blades as well. I'm really impressed about it though. Very unique. Here's a sort of stuff torch lighter that turns any cheap lighter like this. You just remove the drum and the flint, which is easy to do, and that's it. And open it, boom. So this way, boom. And then lock it back in. And we have a lighter here, a torch lighter, you see? That's quite unique. So once you run out of gas, you remove this. This one actually comes with it, refillable, but if you don't have a refillable lighter, you can just do the same thing with any kind of lighter and slide another one in, and that's your refill. And those lighters sells by packs and they're really cheap. Lock it in and start it. Very nice blowtorch lighter. Turns cheap lighters into super nice high quality mini blowtorch. Got it here, inflatable lantern. Check this out. Just like a pool toy, you blow this up. So as you can see, it does not take too much to fill it up. if you're on a boat, you can actually attach it to a rope and stuff like that and float it. But there you go. There's a couple of settings in there. So if you point it this way, it actually give off a lot of light, but this way there's no light almost at all. It's kind of reflecting from the wall. But if you're talking about lantern, it's supposed to give off a lot of light sideways, not just this way. So a little bit of a fail. But yeah, this is why I put them to the test, because you never really know what they're going to look like in the dark till you start it. It's kind of nice, doesn't take too much space. It has a solar panel, highly deflatable, you see, and then you lock it, doesn't take too much space again, and you can even use a flashlight like that. Retractable wire, like a charger wire. Let's look at it. Wow, pretty thick, cool. Ooh, nice. You want to spin it back up together because it's so used to sitting out there. I would say yes, it's cool. I guess it will be tangle free. How do you reset it? I guess you just pull it back on it. Yeah, and then it spins it back up. I think it's cool, but at the end of the day, the problem with it kind of takes up too much space. Oh cool, you can kind of make it not all the way out. You can feel the click and let it go and stop, or you can go all the way out. And by just pulling it together, it will retract all the way back. The only thing is, I wish this whole plastic thing was a bit smaller, quite bulky. But nevertheless, I kind of like it. Look, you can get different lengths. Here's another strange invention. It's a miniature finger gloves. So you have right here a whole bunch of them. Okay, that's what it'll look like. I suppose you only need one every time, and there's a lot of them in there. So how this works: stick one finger in here and the other one in here. Oh no, my finger is too big. It's okay, we'll make it fit. And you have glove fingers that whenever you eat chicken wings or chips, you're not going to touch it maybe with dirty hands, or opposite, you're not going to make them dirty. So clean fingers next time. That's hilarious.